How good you look is the best way to make new friends cheer. But you certainly were funnier than Brightheart. Oh, I certainly hope Champ has a good idea.
Dr. Crunklehorn, I know you're very busy there at Inventco Labs, and we're just so excited to have you as a judge. Well then, can I get you a cot or this? This is one of our students, Stanley Pukowski.
My house! Why can't you respect that? Why can't you just stay away from...